Hello, in front of me I've got Soundcore Space A40. In this video I'll show you how to set HearID. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with Soundcore app and go to the app. Enter HearID, connect, wear your earbuds, and now go through the process. Make sure you are wearing the earbuds because currently we are testing the hearing. And this is your HearID. You can retest it, change mode between initial curve, custom or favorite, enable personalize earphones, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.